afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2008 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. This is finished in Arctic Silver Metallic, and this is optioned with the factory Aero kit. A $7,000 option from Porsche. Beautiful exterior aesthetics. Large wing. And you'll notice the 19-inch Carrera Sport wheels. Starting up here at the driver front wheel, great shape. Just a little spot there on the lip of the wheel, but that's about it. Nice bright red Porsche calipers tucked behind those. Get back here to the driver rear wheel, great shape, no scratches, no curb rash. Here at the passenger rear wheel, no curb rash, no scratches. Got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires wrapped around those wheels. And finally up here at the passenger front, really good shape, just a few spots right there on the lip, right there. Really great condition for being close to 16 years old. Never had a front license plate bracket installed, so you don't have to worry about big holes in there. Take you to the interior. We've got a black leather interior. Got power memory seats. Have lumbar support. There is just a little bit of wear there on the bolster. It does have an aftermarket Kenwood radio installed. It does have Sirius XM. Got a 6-speed manual gearbox. This is optioned with the Sport Chrono Package Plus. And as you can see on the instrument cluster there, current mileage 45062. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to give us a call, 614-793-1050. We're posting a lot of photos of this on our website, be at autoassets.com.